Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn the letter Q. Can you say Q?
Q.
Great! Look carefully. Big Q is written like this. Q.
Yeah.
And small q is written like this. Q. Big Q and small q. Q and Q. Q is for queen. A queen wears a shiny crown on her head. Do you want to be a queen or a king? Q is also for quilt. A quilt is a blanket made of many colors, cozy and soft. Do you have a favorite blanket? And Q is for quail. A little quail is a bird that says, "Quick, quick." Can you make a funny bird sound? Let's say the words slowly together. Queen, quilt, quail. Excellent! Now, trace the letters in the air with your finger. Big Q, a big circle with a little line at the bottom. Again, a big circle with a little line at the bottom. Can you clap 3 times and say Q? 1, 2, 3. Q. The letter Q is quite special. You learned big Q, small q, and words like queen, quilt, and quail. Next time, we will meet the letter R.
Wow!
Bye-bye, kids!